my favorite space because this is where I spend almost time in this house. Napenda kulala, so I'm gonna start from the door going in. When you enter from the door, you see this makeup section here. I put my lotions, my everything there, and on top of it there is this cute mirror that I got from 𝐤𝐞𝐧𝐝. It was like a square mirror before, and I ended it cut like that for this makeup shelf, guys. Ni kama mbao mbili but zikafixiwa hivyo zinakaa kama makeup table. That was like the whole point. On top of it there are two vases that I thrifted, and I put my brushes on one of them, and the other one I put like my eyeliners, my pencils, everything inside there, guys. Next to them I have this camera that I also thrifted from 𝐤𝐞𝐧𝐝. This one went for 200 bob, and you can see how amazing this is, guys. This is a double-sided mirror, guys. Look at that. This is one side and this is like the other side. I love it. Next to it is this Coco Chanel frame that I bought from Home Decor, which I love, guys. I've put it there, and that is like the whole thing. Down on the second shelf I have my lotion here, my lipsticks, my sponge, my powder, my eyeshadow, my sprays, everything. Like I've put everything down here. My foundations, as you can see, like that is the whole thing here. Down here there's that D that came with my couch, and since the space on the living room was not enough, I ended here, and I think it makes the space look nice because inakanga kufanana na kitanda, and when I put it there inakanga ni kama that was the point, and it was not the point, guys. Ilikuja na couch because the space was small, nikaimuvisha hapa, and I think it makes everything cute over there, guys. On the next side of the door I have my like a shoe rack, which I love, guys. It is like the same things like this one, ni kama tumba au kama hizi nimefix kwa wall ikakuwa shoe rack. Let me show you, guys. Here's my sneakers, my boots, my everything chunky, everything is on this shoe rack, guys. And on top there I have my pillow from Smart Lady Home, my Maybelline box, and my bottle over there. And it's so good because you can open the door and there is enough space, guys. That is what we do with these little spaces. We have to survive, guys. Next to my shoe rack is my wardrobe, guys. This is my other favorite space, guys, with my old clothes. If you know me, you know I like dressing up, I like looking good, and in here is everything that I love. But today I'm not gonna open it because girl, it's messy. I was packing the other day and it looks messy, so I'm not gonna open this for today. If you want, I can give you a closet tour on the other house. Comment down below and tell me if you would like to see my closet tour. Next, on this corner here I put like my ring light, my stand, everything that I used to film over here. Next is this cupboard that I love. Hapa kuna kwanga na kioo. Unfortunately imevunjika, so we don't have it here today, but I have my big mirror over here which just broke the other day. Down here there is my ottoman. This one was also a gift, guys. Cute. When I want to take mirror selfies while seated, this is what I use. Yes, guys. And next here, this is my bag I was packing, guys. That is why it is there. Normally inakwanga uko juu. Curtains, guys, I bought them from Italy also, from those guys who sell outside, and each went for 500 bob. As you can see, they are so good. And these are 2 shears that I bought also for 500 each. Nakuja nikaziweka hapa. Here there's this plant, monstera. This is a fake monstera plant that I have huku nyuma. Like, I think the space limits me on where to put my stuff, but it used to be in the living room. This is my other favorite space in this house. As you can see, I have this radar over here. I love it. The same fundi made this one for me. I have my earrings. You remember the video that I made when arranging earrings on this custom? this is it, guys. With my earrings, I put it here. Again, space, but he still managed to do it. My own earrings, my gels are here, guys, and this spray that I bought from Zanzibar. I've never used it, but it smells so good. They called it 𝐤𝐞𝐧𝐝 5. I came and put it here because I feel like it goes well with these old things. I have my chains here, my big chains here with these hooks that I bought on the road. This camera was gifted by someone a long time ago, and I still have it here. My notebooks and the books that I love reading about women and stuff like that. Here I have more books, but these are my favorite ones. That's why they are all here, guys. My headphones over there, here hanging. It is my bag that I bought from Forever Trendy some time back. On the second shelf, guys, my bags again. More bags down there, and these cute boots that I am loving. These are my favorite shoes currently, guys. I thrifted them from an online Instagram page. They're still my favorites. That's why they are there. Haziko kwa viatu zingine. I love them. Bags, thrifted one from shops everywhere. Ziko hapo zimejaana, and down there are stuff that I don't wear and I don't use. My iron box, vitu zenye sivaivai, my extra hooks, everything ziko hapo, nimetupa hapo. On this wall, I have this oversized cup that I got from Bikini World 254 a long time ago. I use it on the beach when I'm not at the beach. I use it to decorate my bedroom. Hapa ndo iko. And my other hat over here, the black one. On this other wall, this is like a project that I started but never finished, because the idea was to have these ivy plants. A lot of them here, I kama ni bushy, which I'm gonna do on the other house. But I managed to buy one. Nikienda huko zimeisha until today. So I have this one here. I'm gonna do it in the house. Hata kama ni kununua online or wherever, I must do it. So I have it there. I have the shelves again. Hizi shelves pia nilikuwa nimetengeneza na Kangele. The 3 of them, guys. The glasses, I got them from Carrefour. And these are that plants. I cut them from my monstera. Kaziweka kwa hizo glass and the water. And I think that looks kind of cute. The only thing that makes me sad is because I've not completed this thing that I wanted to be here. Like kuna vile nilikuwa nataka ikae haikukaa hivyo, but you know, favorite place in the whole world, guys. My bed. Before I used to have a bigger bed which was squeezing in this space. Juu ni mimi shida yangu, I bought a very huge bed, but I had to change it. It is a 5x6, and I have my duvet from 𝐤𝐞𝐧𝐝, my covers from 𝐤𝐞𝐧𝐝, everything on this bed are from 𝐤𝐞𝐧𝐝, guys. This pillow I bought it from Kamukunji the other day, and I think it brightens my bed. These blankets, guys, this is like my favorite thing from 𝐤𝐞𝐧𝐝. I love it, guys. It is a 6x6 blanket. My duvet from 𝐤𝐶𝐽 also. These covers, I bought them, 2 of them, guys. 2 duvet covers at 1,500 from 𝐤𝐶𝐽, and this, you can see the quality. Super cute, super awesome, guys. The pillows, I bought them from Smart Lady Home. Inside the covers zilikuja na hizi duvet pamoja, so everything together was 1,500 Kenyan shillings. This kitanda ilikuwa ya leather. Let me show you. It was like this, but I had to change that material, and the mattress looks like this, guys. Looks like this, which I love. This cover also from 𝐤𝐶𝐽. I like the mattress cover, guys. I like everything on this bed. You can see everything is like affordable. Hakuna kitu extra on this house, and I love it. On top here, my simple life. Nothing much done on there. It's just a bulb that brings light in my room, guys.